everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I use the Duvolle straightener to straighten my hair. As you know, I already have very straight hair. I don't use a straightener very often, but they did contact me and ask me to try this one, so I jumped on the opportunity because I have tried their curling wand and a facial cleansing brush, and I really loved those two products, so I was anxious to try this one as well. It has a good weight. I really like that. And it does have adjustable heat settings, which I really like because I don't like to use a lot of heat on my hair. It shows that it goes up to 450 degrees. I don't know if you can see right there. There's a little dial. It says the lowest is 140 degrees, so I'm going to go a little above that. Heats up quickly. I'll take my glasses off. Right here will be a good test because I got these crazy baby hairs that are sticking out. Turn the heat up just a little. Keep the ends of my hair healthy. I normally don't straighten the end of those, so I'm only going to go about this far down. So I'm really happy that I'm able to use this on a low heat setting and it's still effective on my hair. Did a really beautiful job of straightening those crazy baby hairs right there. I'm just going to touch up a few spots back here. It glides so smooth over my hair. There's no catches. I don't feel like it's pulling any hair out or anything like that, so that's really comforting. Alright everyone, so that is what it looks like finished using the Duvolle straightener. You can use my code HANNAHG for 70% off of your purchase, and that makes this straightener very affordable. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful if you're questioning Duvolle and whether you should try their products. So again, you can use my code HANNAHG for 70% off. That's an amazing deal, so definitely take advantage of that. So that's it. There's nothing else to see here. Thank you all for watching.